How to protect Instagram account from hackers. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating Instagram, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply go to Account Center. Now scroll down. Now tap on Password and Security. Then go to two-factor authentication. Now select Instagram account. Now enter the code from your email address. Now copy the code and go back to Instagram. Now paste the code and tap on continue. Now, now choose either Authenticator app or SMS and tap on next. Now tap on copy key, go back to the home screen, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Authenticator. Now tap on search. Now tap on Google Authenticator and click on install. After installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on enter a setup key. Now type the name. Now tap on your key and paste the key. Now click on add. Now copy the code. Now go back to Facebook and tap on next. Now paste the code and tap on next again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.